responsible for the consistent preparation of creative cuisines of highest quality and monitoring food coming out of the kitchen in a timely manner, resulting in outstanding guest satisfaction. Additionally, responsible for the smooth running of the kitchen and manage areas of profit, stock, wastage control, staff hygiene practices, and to hire and train new kitchen staff. Trains and motivates supervisors and culinary staff to meet and exceed established food preparation standards on regular basis. Teaches preparation of food according to well-defined recipes. Discusses ways of constantly improving the cuisine at the hotel. Displays leadership by providing a positive work environment, counseling staff as appropriate, and demonstrating a dedicated and professional approach to the hotel management. Should be able to provide direction for all day-to-day operations in the kitchen. Understands staff positions well enough to perform duties in staff absence or determine appropriate replacement to fill gaps. Provides guidance and direction to lower staff members, including setting performance standards and monitoring performance. Utilizes interpersonal and exceptional communication skills to lead kitchen staff. Should advocate sound financial decision-making, demonstrates honesty, integrity, and also leads by example. Provides and supports service behaviors that are above and beyond for guest satisfaction and retention. Improves service by communicating and assisting individuals to understand customers' needs, providing guidance, feedback, and individual coaching when required. Delegates to develop supervisors and subordinates to accept responsibility and meet clearly defined objectives. Reviews staffing levels to ensure that customer service and operational needs objectives are met. Involves in menu development and maintaining updated and accurate costing of all dishes prepared and sold in the food and beverage operation. Determines how food should be presented, and create decorative food displays. Recognizes superior quality products, presentations, and tastes. Ensures compliance with food handling and sanitation standards. Follows proper handling and right temperature of all food products. Ensures all equipment in the kitchen is properly maintained and in working order in accordance with local health department and property standards. Reviews restaurant comment cards for guest satisfaction results and other data to identify areas of improvement. Coordinates with the purchasing department for the acquisition of needed goods and services. Ensure all products are prepared in a consistent manner and meet quality standards. Ensure proper hygiene and grooming standards for all kitchen employees. Ensures all kitchen staff members maintains required food handling and sanitation certifications. Ensure proper purchasing, receiving, and food storage standards in the kitchen. Interacts with customers to obtain feedback on food quality, presentation, and hotel service levels. Responds and handles guest problems and complaints. Maintain quality levels of receiving, storage, production, and presentation of food. Ensure sufficient staffing levels are scheduled to accommodate business demands. Follows and enforces all appropriate safety procedures specified for kitchen and food servers. Discuss daily food cost reports with main kitchen and food and beverage team members. Review weekly and monthly schedules to meet forecast and budget. Attends the daily morning meetings and other administrative sessions. Identifies the training needs of kitchen staffs and provide coaching and also helping them to improve their knowledge and skills. Trains kitchen associates on the fundamentals of cooking and excellent plate presentations. Also interview and hire new staff for kitchen. Frequently reviews finished products for quality and presentation before the orders are sent to guest. Able to perform duties as requested by the hotel management as and when required. Ensures disciplinary procedures and documentation are completed according to hotel operational standard and management policy. Displays leadership in guest hospitality, exemplifies excellent customer service, and creates a positive atmosphere for guest relations. Having an eye for detail and creativity to look at things differently will be a key to developing the food and beverage experience. Able to demonstrate excellent written and verbal communication in English. Proficiency with computers and computer programs, including Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook. 3-year hospitality management or equivalent culinary university degree. With a minimum of 2 years experiences in a similar function in an international 5-star hotel with a strong background in hazard analysis and critical control point procedures and application.